Hello my friends, you join Ernie and I as we make our way to a place called Millook Haven, and you're just joining us for the last few miles. It's a nice little road. There's actually a big sort of cliff top lay-by that I've been wanting to get a sunset shoot from for a long time, which is just this side of Millook Haven, but it's always full of camper vans, and I doubt today will be any different. So unless it is empty, we'll make our way down to Millook Haven and try and do a shoot from the beach. I put a iridium plug in Ernie today, and I got a feeling the old plug that came out must have been getting a bit tired, because he is going so much better. The sea's looking a bit choppy. Anyone that's been following me for a while would have seen this road before. I did a sunset shoot on the Kawasaki 900 RS, just overlooking the Millook Haven. Yeah, look at that. I can never get there for a good picture. Oh wow. I don't own it, I suppose. This is extremely steep and sharp, especially coming up. Now the beauty of Millook Haven is there isn't really a lot of parking there. You can perhaps get half a dozen cars on the road, and that is about it. So it doesn't get packed out like some of the beaches. God, it's breezy. I bought my drone. No chance. Cool, eh? Beautiful. Imagine living up there. Absolutely gorgeous. You know what? I think it's illegal to take stones away from the beach. It's a shame. Some pretty cool patterns, eh? Who would know? Can you see all the zigzags in the rocks? Pretty spectacular place. Love it. Oh dear me, you will not believe how cold I am. Absolutely freezing. Well, I think that has to be my favourite spot in North Cornwall. Just beautiful. Well, I only wanted that to be a little short one, so we'll leave it there. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Ciao for now. Bye bye.